All right, welcome back to the DIY guy, basic DIY guy. Speaking of that, before I get into today's video, I'm thinking of changing the name of the channel because, basically, yeah, everything I do is a DIY because I'm doing it myself. But I don't really teach anything, I guess, or show you how to do things. So I think we'll just make it just more of like a homestead improvement channel or something. So if you guys have any ideas for a new name, let me know and I'll think about it. But I'm definitely changing the name. I just haven't decided yet. But when I do decide, of course, I will let you guys know. All right, so now to the video. Today is just going to be a small, maybe small, we'll see, cleanup video. I just want to make the shop great is basically what I'm going to do, is just try to make the shop great because it's still very cluttered and just has crap everywhere. Gonna go through that today. There's a bunch of stuff, so we're gonna keep some stuff, throw out some stuff. I want to tidy up this corner, make it a little nicer, clean up this part of the bench, and then that's probably gonna be it. If I can get to organizing the wood, I will, but I don't plan on it. But if I have time, I'll do it. So yeah, let me get you guys set up and we'll jump right to it. Well, whatever was living in there, squirrel, rat, mice, whatever was making their home under these things, they did a real good job because there's a lot of crap there. But they won't be here anymore. quick little update. Got this all nice and organized. Put together this little 2-shelf thing. Holding my paint, some compound, some more compound, some other stuff, rollers. Let's get that out of the way. Organize that a little bit. Cleaned off the top of that completely. Looks pretty good. Next time I will do the wood and everything else underneath the bench. But for now, the only thing left to do is go through this 3-drawer dresser thing, plastic dresser, so I can get rid of it and see what we're gonna keep that's inside. I have no clue what's in there. I kind of peeked. There's some electrical, some plumbing, it looks like. But we'll see. So let's dive right into it. All right, guys. So I went through that 3-drawer dresser and there was just very minimal to, salvage from it. Just a couple of, like a whole box worth of plumbing stuff that I got. I did have this all nice and cleared off, and then I got my Jeep towed here, the one that you probably seen in previous videos, but I got that Jeep back, and all the stuff that I had in it is now all over the place. So, but that's still pretty nice and neat. I got my jack back, more car stuff, but gonna have to just organize all that. But I think that's pretty much it for this video. The next video probably drops sometime, I'd say maybe Friday afternoon. We'll try to count on that. So don't forget to hit the like, subscribe buttons. I would really appreciate it. And until next time.